A lot of times we operate when we have the least impact on traffic patterns or the general public, if there's a big parking area, something like that. So having lights on the machine is pretty handy. So we have the button right here on the top that easily turns those lights on or off. If you can see, we've got two bright LED lights on the front, two on the back. We can adjust the angle to them. They're very bright lights, all LED, to give us that nighttime operation. We also have this button here. You see the gray trailer. When I push it, the trailer becomes red. That is trailer mode. We only want that to operate when we are loading it on a trailer. It limits ground speed and it restricts the flow to the front wheel based off of determined wheel slip. So it gives us the ability to climb those steep angles and not lose our tractive effort. So watch that. It's easy to bump that sometimes and turn it on. If you see some limited operation and the machine's kind of fighting itself, make sure that the trailer is gray. That's your normal operation where you want to live.
I'd like to give you a little bit of information on that trailer mode operation. When the trailer mode is in the on position, the trailer icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen turns from gray to red. Gray is off, red is on. When in the on position, the machine limits the ground speed to 3 miles per hour. At the same time, it reads the front wheel RPM, and if that is faster than the desired, it will proportionally restrict the hydraulic flow to the front wheel, thereby sending a balanced flow to the rear wheel motors. The joystick has an algorithm that determines what RPM the front wheels should be at in a given joystick position. When it senses that the front wheel RPM is faster than it should be, the control system starts the proportional hydraulic flow restriction. So how can you test whether this function is operational? Create a condition where the front wheel is placed in an incline, such as climbing a trailer. If that option is not available, then I would suggest wetting down a surface to make it extra slippery. An incline on loose soil or gravel is also a good place to test. Then to test, try to climb the incline with trailer mode off, and if the front wheel slips, return the joystick to the neutral position and apply the trailer mode. Repeat the test, and this time there might be a minor amount of wheel slippage. However, you should feel that the rear wheels are now working to drive the machine up the incline. Do not rapidly move the joystick forwards when testing. Use it like normal operation and ease into the start. When trailer mode is working correctly, the balance of hydraulic flow should provide a smooth, controlled ascent up the trailer or your test location.